Hello, dear Santander students. Hope you are staying at home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools remain closed, we should study through videos. So today we study computer and the topic is insert tab in MS Word. So first of all, we have to open this Microsoft Office Word. So double click on this icon and your Microsoft Office Word has been open. In the previous video we have completed the home tab, and in insert tab we have completed this pages section, tables, and now we is on the illustration group. In this illustration group we have completed picture, clip art and shape. So we move forward and we have in this video we have completed this smart art. So what is smart art? There is a question, what is smart art? Smart art graphics range from graphical list and process diagrams to more complex graphics such as Venn diagrams and organization charts. So smart art, as you see, so why we use smart art? As you see in your books, a life cycle, a food chain, a water cycle in science books, these are the cycles. When we write a book in a soft copy, so these are the cycles we want to insert, so we use smart art. Okay, we'll processes, as you see in your computer books, are flow chart and these types of charts and all the things we have inserted through smart art. So in this section we have studied how to insert a smart art, and we should follow the process. To insert a smart art, place the cursor where you want to insert a smart art. This is the cursor. Place anywhere of your choice where you want to insert. So when you write, let's take an example of a plant cycle. So I put on a heading of plants cycle. So here in this section here we write anything about the plant cycle, and now we have to make the cursor anywhere on the document. I put there. So from the insert tab, this is the insert tab, and from illustration group click on this smart art option. You can see all the process list. This tab, these are the list. If you want to enter list and process boxes, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, all of you know these are the types of smart art you wish to enter. So let's take an example. I want to make a plant cycle, so we select from the cycle group. In this cycle group I choose this one, text cycle. So put it on, I click on this text cycle and click on OK button. As you see, the cycle is inserted. This box, like this text, you want to put on your text. So I type there seeds. Next, young plants. Next is mature plants. Next is flower and its fruits. As you see, this is the plant cycle, as you see in your book, in any science book. Okay, up from this design tab you can change the color of this tab. If you want to change the color, accent, this tab and this tab, accent, any of your choice. If you want to change this like this. Okay, these are the smart styles. So all of you understand why we use smart art and how you insert a smart art in MS Word. So now if you want to make some changes, for example, this is the cycle from moving right clockwise direction. If you want to change from anti-clockwise or to want clockwise, so there is an option that is right to left, and so if you click on this button, you can change the direction of the cycle, either anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. Okay, this button shows the text pane. Text pane means you type these are the text: seeds, young plants, mature plants, flower, fruits, etc. Okay, so if you want that in this cycle you can add only 5 words, as there is an option only for 5 words. If there is a cycle, if more than 5 words you have to insert it, then you can click on this button, add shape. After, you can see there is a one more text if you want to enter there, or add shape before if you want to text here. So open the text pane and insert the text. If you want anything, I enter only plants, and from there you can big plants. So if you want to insert more than, there is a cycle only for 5 words. As you see, there is a cycle only for 5 words. If you enter more than 5, you can select from there, add shape. So all of you understand why we use smart art and what is smart art. So come to the homework. So there is a homework for you students. What is smart art? And question number 2, how we insert smart art in MS Word. These are the 2 questions for you, all of you students. Hopefully you are staying at home and staying safe, and goodbye students, take care, thank you.